Okay, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasim, your IELTS trainer. So I'm going to give you overview about IELTS. So first of all, most of the people they don't know about what IELTS stand for. IELTS stand for International English Language Testing System. So basically there are two types of IELTS. One is academic and one is general. Academic IELTS is used for study purpose and general IELTS is used for immigration purpose. And there are 4 modules which are covered in IELTS. Those are listening, reading, writing and speaking. So total time duration of IELTS listening is 40 minutes. In that 40 minutes, they will give to you 30 minutes you will listen the recording and 10 minutes they will give to you extra. In those 10 minutes, you just need to rewrite your answer into answer sheets. Okay? In 30 minutes, they will give to you different kind of questions. Normally 1 to 10 it will be first section, 11 to 20 it will be second section, and 21 to 30 it will be third section, and 31 to 40 it will be fourth section. And total marks which are in IELTS, especially in listening, those are 40 marks. Okay? If you want to get it 7 plus band, if your correct marks are 30 plus, if your correct marks are 30 to 32, then your band will be 7. If your correct marks are 33 or 34, then your band will be 7.5. Okay? And if your correct marks are 35 or 36, then it's mean your band is 8. And same if your correct marks are 37 and 38, it's mean 8.5. And same 39 and 40, it will be 9. After that, next module in IELTS is reading. Reading total time duration is 60 minutes. Okay. In 60 minutes, they will give you 3 different passages. First passage, usually questions are contained 1 to 13. Second passage questions are 14 to 26. And third passage questions are 27 to 40. Yes, total question in IELTS reading are 40. Okay. And you know that most of the people they are confused in IELTS reading. They can do it IELTS listening. They can do it IELTS writing and speaking, but we are confused in IELTS reading. Why? Because IELTS reading is based on your main challenge in IELTS reading is time management. And most of the people they are confused in IELTS reading because they can't able to manage their time. Okay? If you want to practice every day, so you can get it 7 plus band. Okay? If your correct marks same 30 to 32, then your band will be 7, same in reading. And some people they don't have the idea about what kind of reading they will give to you. Reading, you know that if different people they have the idea about open book paper. Do you have any idea? Open book paper, yes. Open book paper means examiner will give to you a book, okay, and also he will ask different kind of question. So you just need to find the question from that particular passage. So that is IELTS reading. So same here it's pattern in IELTS exam. Reading total time duration is I already mentioned to you 60 minutes. In that 60 minutes they will give you 40 questions. First passage question are first 1 to 30. Second passage questions are 14 to 26. And third passage questions are 27 to 40. Okay? And the first passage is usually it's an easier one, and second and third passages are challenging. And its official time is you need to spend first passage, each passage you just spend 20 minutes, but my recommendation for all of you is try to spend 15 minutes in first passage. Remaining you will spend in third passage, you will spend more time. In second passage you spend 20 minutes and third passage you spend 25 minutes. Okay? Because first passage is easier one, so you can do it easily in 15 minutes. Okay? So same it was all about reading. Next part is writing. Writing, if you are appearing in IELTS academic, then they will give you 2 different questions. One will be short question and one will be long question. Short question time duration they will give you 20 minutes, and they will give you pie chart, graph, table, and in that 20 minutes you just need to complete that particular pie chart, graph or table, and they will give to you 150 words. So you need to write 150 words related to pie chart, graph or table. You just explain it all that, okay, in 20 minutes. And second one, they will give to you like essay. Essay usually they will give to you total time duration like 40 minutes. In that 40 minutes, you will spend it like 5 minutes for brainstorming and 35 minutes you just execute that plan. Okay, total words they required in IELTS. The second question is 250 words. Okay, you know that if you write more than 250 words, it's okay, but it's not acceptable if you write less than 250 words. Okay, so you just write it at least 300 words, because there are many words which you are repeating, which you are writing it again and again. Okay, so those repeating words are not counted in actual counting. Okay, so that is all about writing. Next one is speaking. Speaking time duration is like 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, 12 to 15 minutes is speaking time duration. In speaking time duration, you know that some people they are confused, like speaking is at the same day or it's like at before the exam. If you are appearing in a paper-based exam, then usually it's happened 2 days before the exam or 2 days after the exam. But if you are appearing in computer-based IELTS, then usually speaking exam is at same day. Okay, and in speaking exam they will give to you 3 different parts. And speaking exam usually it's held like 1-to-1, like it's like interview type. Okay, in those 3 different parts they will ask different kind of question to you. Like first part it's like general question. In general question, like they will ask you like 4 to 5 different kind of questions about your neighbor, about your workplace, about study. They will ask you 4 to 5 minutes. Same like 4 to 5 questions they will ask you. And second one is cue card. Okay, do you have any idea about cue card?
Yes, cue card, cue card, you have to spend your time, you have only 1 minute, you can like write key points. We have only 2 minutes to speak on cue card.
Yes. Cue card means like examiner will give one card to you. Upper side of that card, different questions will be written. After that, examiner will give to you like 1 minute for preparation. During that 1 minute preparation, you just need to write key points, okay, about that particular task which examiner gives you. After completion of this one, examiner will say to you like your time start now. Okay, after that you have 2 minutes. In those 2 minutes, you will continuously speak which is the topic. Okay, continuously you will speak about that particular topic for 2 minutes. So that is called cue card. And you know that during the cue card, examiner will not interrupt you. He will just stay silent in cue card topic. After completion of cue card, in third part, like that is like discussion topic. In discussion topic, examiner will ask more further question to you. Like more like 7 to 8 more further questions he will ask from you, which usually related to like cue. Okay, so it is all about IELTS overview. Okay, I hope all of you understand this. Okay, and if you have any question, you can ask directly from me. If you are watching this video, so thank you very much. I hope we will just upload it next videos very soon. Thank you very much. Take care.